Hi, welcome back. Today I'll be comparing these three SSL style compressors from the top brands in the industry. Uh, in this occasion, we're going to be comparing the Acustica Audio Sand, the SSL from native SSL plugins that are the creators of the consoles, and the SSL bus from UAD. These three emulations. For some reason, my video editor is not letting me put the SSL on the screen right now, but we will go straight to the point. Okay, I'll be making some tests on drums and bass, and on drums, bass, and instrumentation. So will be a quick video so you can compare them, how they sound, and how they glue the mix. So the settings on the three of them will be, as you can see, 10 milliseconds attack, auto release, not sidechain, ratio 4:1, and they'll be compressing around 3 to 4 dBs that you'll be able to see on the meter. So I'll start first with, let's see, with sand, and after I'll go with the SSL native, and after that I'll change the screen so you can see how it works to the UAD version. So in this beautiful overlay behind, we will see these two only, and after I change to the other one. So I'm gonna mute the instrumentation right now. Let's see. Okay. And we will be seeing here right now. Okay, first without any compression on the mix on the drums and bass. Okay, I don't know what happened with this Acustica. My CPU is half working right now, and I got those glitches. And this bypass, I don't know, I don't feel that it's working as a true bypass. But well, you could hear a bit of this. Now let's move to the SSL native bus compressor too. Okay, and now we will be moving to the UAD version. Now we'll be going comparing the three. First, I'm going to turn on the Sand, after the SSL bus compressor, and after that the UAD. Let's go. Now, as I can hear, this like mm, give a little bit of grit that right now with my headphone, my BSX, I can feel like it's going a little bit over in my head. I can say it like that. With the SSL native, I feel that it leave it more free. I can feel a little bit more of the top freedom on this one. And this one is like both worlds. Just let's hear them again. First, the sand. Well, maybe it's just me. I don't know. I feel like the SSL native and the UAD are living like a little bit more of freedom with this compression. And the sand from Acustica, I feel like it loops them together very well. Like like make it a little bit smaller, but like everything is stellar in their own place. So maybe it's just me. Let me know in the comment what you think about it. And now let's turn the music, the instrumentation, and comparing context. Let's start with the UAD. And in context with the music, I feel how the acoustic audio handles better the low end at the same settings. If I'm going to put it again, and it gives more of definition. I don't know how to explain you this, but it's like I can hear like everything is in their own place. The other ones are doing good job. Maybe I can reach the same thing by compressing a bit more in the other tools, but it's not the idea since I calibrate them with to same level in and out. But let's hear it again and put attention on the low end when I switch between compressors. I will start with the UAD. This time, after that, the native compressor, and at the end, the sand. So you can put attention on the low end. And this is no sidechain filter in any of them. All of them are flat. So let's go. Well, for me, it sound more like ready with sand. It's my opinion. It's what I feel. It's why I'm hearing. If so, this would be all, guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one of these do you think is the winner of this little overview of these three compressors. Have a good night and thank you. Peace.